Wow. I don't know how the wind noise is with my LifeProof case on my phone, but I haven't seen this windmill spin so well. Like, it's not spinning as fast as it has, but it's not tracking all over the place. Like, there, it just moved just slightly. That's the first time it's moved in the past like half an hour. It just looks like we got a nice steady wind coming from this field over here. Behind these little short trees is just all field, and then they're hitting the wind turbine, and it's making a solid bit of power. It's not making all that much. Like, it looked like this all day, tiny bit brighter, but not much. And my solar, all of my solar panels, so those ones were uncovered, but those are for the separate mobile power system. These ones had a layer of snow, and so did the ones up top, but they should have still made a little bit of power, and we only made half a kilowatt. Half a kilowatt, that's nothing. Well, the wind turbine's catching up to that today. We'll see if we can outdo solar with wind today. That'd be something. I'd be pretty happy to see that, but we'll see about that. I've made 1 kilowatt in a day so far with this wind turbine, where it sits now. So we'll see what we make. Eventually I want to get that at least 20 feet higher, maybe 30 feet higher. We'll see. I got some goals at least. Well, it's fairly windy tonight. This is just what I'm getting. You probably hear the wind turbine. Doesn't seem to be coming out very good on the cell phone. I was getting a solid 300 watts for a while. Got 0.5 kilowatt of solar. There's a nice little gust. It's 400, 260, 3 something. I didn't even know it was supposed to be windy today, but I think it's just I'm getting a good wind for the position of my solar or my wind turbine, where it's actually fairly consistent. So yeah, I think once I get this higher in the air, it's going to do much better. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. So, I've been told a lot of things about this charge controller when you set it to wind, that it will just keep charging your batteries once your batteries hit float. Even Midnight Solar told me that themselves, but I set my voltage to cut off at 69 volts. And it is not going beyond, 65.9 volts, and it is not going beyond that. This is at over 100 volts a second ago. Let's see if we can catch something here. There you go. See, look at that. It should be putting out like quite a few watts, like 100 watts or something, when it does gusts like that. But it doesn't. It goes up quickly to like 15 watts for like a second. But that's it. And it drops right back down. Let's see if we can catch another gust here. Anyways, I'll start the camera again when we get a gust. Anyways, not seeing any more gusts of wind right now, but we've got 5.3 kilowatts of solar today, and my batteries are, well, almost fully charged, which is awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. There it goes. 170 volts. It was putting only a couple, see, it does put a tiny bit of power, but nothing that I'm afraid of. 19 watts here and there, it's nothing. So, I don't really think I even need, whoops, sorry, I got a wire in the way, a huge dump load, other than the fact that the wind turbine is going to get spinning too quickly. But with 11 blades, it shouldn't spin that fast either, so we'll see. Wow, look at what I got. I found some more of these things on sale. Auction Max had 5 of these, 200 bucks each. Everything's fully working, didn't have to fix any of them. The inverters work, everything works good on them. Chargers work good. There was 5 of them, and everybody that I have your email, or a few people at least, that I remembered, there was one left, and I sent an email out, and it sold pretty quick. So they're all sold out, but every once in a while they do get these in on Auction Max if you search for generator. But yeah, they usually go up. They start at around $300 something. Don't pay that. Even though they are worth it, they always drop it down to around $200. So all I do is I wait for to hit $200 and then I buy it. Anyways, everything is working well here. Battery voltage 55.6 volts. We had a full charge yesterday. First time I hit full charge in a long time. But today we have not put much power into the batteries. I charged both those off my Powerwall last night. I plugged my Jeep's block heater in, which actually takes 500 watts, which I did not know. That takes a lot of power. That's like running this little heater all night long. So that was taking 500 watts all night long. I still had power in the morning, but as you can see, when I woke up this morning I was at 53 point something volts, and I've only gained 2 volts today from solar. But that's because it's pretty nasty outside. By nasty I just mean cloudy. It's snowing a tiny bit. Not much, but yeah. Oh well. What can you do? Thanks for watching, guys.